Let's make team building simple with daily scheduling in EAM. All right, let's open up the daily scheduling session. Let's start a new session from scratch. Check if skip equipment is on. It speeds things up. Quick check on the other tabs, just to make sure everything's in place. Now it's super simple. We're just focusing on building the team. We start by clicking on a person to make them the team leader, the key player, the one in charge. Then, we build the team. Just click through the names and assign them to the leader. Quick and simple. Now you can see it clearly. The team leader is shown in blue, and the team members are in purple. If you click on another person, you instantly see their team composition. You can set up another team by simply clicking on a different person. It's like speed dating, but for scheduling. Fast, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. Team leaders you choose will be marked in color, so you can spot them easily. Everything else is business as usual. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more EAM tips, and drop a comment if you've got questions or ideas.